Ever wondered how I could help you create an extra income stream while working less? In this video, I'm revealing practical strategies for using cutting-edge AI tools that can boost your financial future, and trust me, it's not about replacing jobs, but unlocking new opportunities you never thought possible. If you want to see more videos like this, then please support the channel and subscribe, plus hit the bell icon to get notified of my next video. AI technology, particularly ChatGPT, represents a significant advancement in machine learning, enabling computers to understand and generate human-like text. Its applications span various fields, including customer service, content creation, and education, showcasing its versatility. By utilizing AI, individuals can uncover new income opportunities, such as freelance writing or virtual assistants. However, it's essential to address misconceptions that AI will replace human jobs. Instead, it serves as a tool to enhance productivity and creativity, allowing humans to focus on higher-level tasks. Leveraging AI for income generation has been a transformative experience for many, including myself. By utilizing AI tools like ChatGPT, I've created engaging content for blogs and social media, significantly increasing my productivity. Specific methods include automating writing tasks, generating ideas, and even crafting marketing copy. I encourage viewers to see AI not as a replacement but as a powerful tool that enhances their skills, allowing them to focus on creativity and strategy while AI handles repetitive tasks efficiently. We invite you to watch our upcoming videos on using AI to boost your income potential. Watching these training videos on AI will provide you with hands-on experience, expert insights, and practical strategies to effectively leverage AI tools. However, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when the training is ready. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your skills and explore new income avenues. So we've explored how AI technology, particularly tools like ChatGPT, can be effectively utilized to generate extra income through various methods, including content creation and automation. The potential of AI to enhance productivity and open new income opportunities is immense. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community eager to learn about AI.